Alright YouTubers, this is your boy Da-viruz System here, and today we are here to do the chiri chiri chara chara. It has actually been a while since I do tutorial. These days, because of work, there is no time to sit and do tutorials, but I still believe with these pretty ones and then these little ones, we will still be able to make our way out based on what we learned. And stay tuned to the channel anytime, anywhere. Stick with the Da-viruz System and I will give you the best that you need. Please kindly subscribe to this and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification from me, as well as invite people to subscribe and watch more on this video to learn on their own. Now today I'm going to help you to install the modules for Soundkit. That is what we'll be doing today. I'll guide you through how to install the modules for it, the modules that comes with it. Now you can see this is my online version where I have installed the blog module. I've also installed the radio module, and I have also installed the e-wallet module too as well. So if I come here, then I have my e-wallet here too as well. So today I'm going to guide you through how to set up this module on your Soundkit application, either online or local host, but we are going to be doing it local host, and it is still the same procedure when you install it online. So let's check some few things out. If I go to admin panel, which I currently am, these are the things. If I go to plugin manager, these are the plugins that I've installed. So I've installed the e-wallet plugin, I've installed the radio station plugin, and the blogs module too as well. These are the three modules that I've installed. Later we'll be learning how to set up our desktop app too as well, but today we are going to be looking at how to set up these three modules for Soundkit as well. So I have a fresh installation here on my local host, which is currently seated. If I go to plugins manager, you realize that the default plugins that comes with Soundkit are the only ones installed currently, and they are currently not turned on until you turn them on. So here we have the contacts module. That is if you want people to contact you on maybe you need a contact page, let me just say that. So you turn it on by hitting on the slide button here to slide it on, and then boom, you are there. It is easy as that. So we're also going to learn how to install the radio module as well as the blog module and the e-wallet module too as well. So we are going to switch to where I have my modules. I have my modules here. So I have my e-wallet module here as advertisement. Then we have the blog and then the radio modules. So what I need to do is that I need to copy all these three modules. Then I will navigate to where I have installed my Soundkit folder on my local drive. So I have another folder open here where I have the module folder selected already. And you can see that this is WAMP WW folder. Then I have a folder called Soundkit. And in Soundkit folder, I have a folder called module. So I'll open the module folder. Then you realize that the four modules that are already with Soundkit, when you install it, are displayed there. So I'll just right click and then click on paste to paste the three that I've just copied right now. Now, when I go back and then refresh this page, then expect that the three modules that I've just pasted in the module folder should appear here, right? So I'm going to reload my page and then let's see what happened. The chiri chiri chara chara, and you can see them coming up automatically. So we have the e-wallet here, we have the blog, and then we have the radio module. Now if I switch back to my online module right here, I have blog here, I have radio here, then I have e-wallet here. If I go back to my local installation right here, I don't have them appearing because they are not turned on, even though I've installed them, but they haven't turned on yet. So until I hit on the slide button to slide on and off, there's no way you can see them being active. So if I also come to my three dots and click, you see that we have the wallet not active. So what I'll do is that I'm going to turn on the wallet first. So I hit on my wallet, and then that plugin is what updated automatically. So I will check to see whether it has been activated. If not, I'll reload my page to see the effect of it. So I hit on the reload button to see whether it has taken effect or not. So I'll go back to my three dots, and then voila, I have my wallet module activated. So now I'm going to activate radio and then blog too as well. So I hit the two on, and then the two are on. I reload. Then voila, I have all of them appearing too as well. So I have the blog here, then I have manage radio to us here. So here, if I go to blog, I can add a blog by hitting on new blog, and then I type a blog and then post as well. Then radios, you can manage radios too by adding a streaming radio to as well. All right, so if I also switch to my e-wallet by hitting on the three dots here, then hit on e-wallet, then you see the e-wallet is open. So my name here with my e-wallet and my wallet balance is this, and I need to top up. So if I need to top up, they say the minimum amount for top up is $10. So that means that the minimum is $10. So I hit $10, then I hit top up, and it is asking for payment gateway, but I haven't configured payment gateways yet. So we'll keep that for another day on another tutorial too as well. But today we are dealing on how to install modules, right? So this is how to install Soundkit modules that you purchase as separate modules from the default ones that comes with Soundkit. So stay tuned with the virus system on this channel. This is the only channel you can get tutorials based on how to set up PHP scripts and WordPress scripts too as well. Stay tuned with me. If you like my channel, please subscribe and visit my blog davirussystems.com for more applications on your learning own. Please note this: every script that is found on my blog is for educational purpose. If you want, buy the original script from the original owner, which can be located at Code Canyo. So please do that and don't use them for commercial use. If you use them, please be advised, to your own danger. Don't call my name. I'm signing out.